In this video, we will install a certificate in Apache Tomcat hosted in a Linux server. Open the certificate details page. We will need to download the certificate PFX file in the Linux server. You can copy the download link for the file like this. In the Linux server, navigate to the folder to download the certificate file. Download the certificate PFX file. Here we see the downloaded file. Open the server XML file for Apache Tomcat. Uncomment the SSL configuration section. Set the SSL connection port. Add the path to the certificate PFX file and enter the password for the certificate. Save the file when you are done. Restart the Apache Tomcat web server. Test your SSL certificate in a web browser. Thank you.